Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I need to get myself a reducer, and that's for PVC piping from, I think, say 1 3/4 to 1.5. Maybe it's 2 inches down to 1.5. Well, I know it's 1.5 inches diameter hole I have, and I got to make it work. And I got some epoxy, and it's expensive, but I'll get the job done. What am I doing that I need this stuff? I'm redoing the drain. Maybe I'm gonna paint it red, then black, raise it off the floor a little. This way I can get to the leaves that are on the floor that's blocking it and make things look a little bit more unified, beautiful. Can you do something like that? Then sit around and looking at garbage pails all day? Yeah, this weather, strange weather we're having. So let's get to it. Get the parts I need. The worst shopping experience you can imagine in the city. Yeah, I forgot there was a line. I was on the credit card line and I forgot my wallet. But I got the parts because I had $5 in my pocket and I got $1.12 left to my name. I gotta go home safely. Oh man, what did I get? Just 2 pieces. You know what? I'm gonna make it work with what I got. What I got, I'll make it work. As I give you an update, progress, pipe is up. I got the part, ain't the correct one. Needed to get something similar to that. I needed to paint it red, get it black. Keep it white, level it, let it dry, make my little cut, and I'm done. I ran out of semi-black. It's just a little bit. Not a big deal. I got a lot of work still to do. It's a real short time to do it. Need to get some semi-color red or brown. My job is done. I made my post upstairs with leftover wood, perfectly fitted, nicely designed.